Why, hello there. So this video has been a long time coming, but I finally fucking moved in. Fucking finally. Finally. And just in advance, if you hear dogs whining in the background, ignore it, because they're not my dogs. Yeah, seriously. So I finally moved into my own apartment, dude. Well, my own's a relative term, because I have people living here with me. But I have my own bedroom and my own bathroom, so it's really my own place, let's be honest. But yeah, right here, we have my bedroom. And you guys want a bedroom tour? Do you guys want a bedroom tour? Because you're getting one. You're getting one, even though it's completely fucking empty. Besides my bed, you know. I got a few things in here. Because, you know, this is only like my second day here. So, you know, I got my bed and my box spring. I got a lamp somewhere on the ground right there. Right there. Lampity lamp. Because, you know, there's no... I don't know, if you can't tell, there's no light in here. Like, there's no light in here. It's fucking ass. They never said, hey, in the second bedroom, there's no light. Why am I shaking so bad? I know people notice it. I don't fucking know. But I'm considering suing the people who I bought this apartment from, who I'm renting this apartment from. Because this closet right here, this closet door right here, it's loose. Like it gets stuck. It's not on properly. Can I sue for that? Be honest with me. Can I sue for that? I'm really considering suing them. Yeah, anyway, we're good. Really? Well, I mean, I guess when you have SpongeBob's arms, you can't close the fucking door. Anyway, we're gonna go look at the bathroom now. Because, you know, I'm there. Boom! Sup, bitches? Yep, we're in my bathroom. Look, there's me. You guys get to see me from behind for the first time. Nice. Yeah. I got some shit here. Don't have a lot of shit here yet. Like I said, it's like my second day here. I got some shit, like, you know, got my razors. Got my retainer. Hope you didn't see my full name on there. Got my toothbrush. You know, got all kinds of shit. Got tweezers for my unibrow, because I have a unibrow, if you didn't know. Fucking tragic. Yeah, seriously, you might wonder, dude, your hair looks a little different in this video. One thing I forgot to fucking bring with me. My shampoo and conditioner. I need to go back and get it. And I had to wash my hair today with nothing but water. But I mean, it still looks good as shit. Like, look at it, dude. Look at it. My hair's just awesome. Anyway, I think that's going to be this whole video. Now, am I going to show the rest of the apartment? Because there's a whole other bedroom and a whole other bathroom down that way. And, you know, there's the living room and the kitchen and everything else. I will. One day. Because that's not today. And why is it not today? There's nothing to really show. There's nothing there. It'd just be a completely empty tour. So, and we're going to leave it in my empty room. Bye-bye, bitches.